Indoor trainers are extremely important for professional and recreational athletes when they can't train outside. Saris have recently released their newest trainer, the H3, to Australia, and trust me, it's one to look out for. When it comes to indoor trainers, the most frequently asked question is, how quiet is it? Well, Saris have taken this to heart and make the H3 5 times quieter than previous generations. The trainer reads 59 decibels at an average speed of 32 kilometers per hour. That's even quieter than the sound of your group set. The H3 is extremely well built and thought out, made from cast and machined aluminium, sourced from America's heartland. It's extremely sturdy and stable, meaning even when you're dropping watt bombs, the trainer won't feel like it's going to tip or wobble. Inside the H3 are components meticulously calibrated to measure speed, power and cadence, as well as a precision flywheel which can handle up to a whopping 2,000 watts of resistance and replicate a 20% climbing grade. Now don't worry about overheating. The H3's internal cooling system will keep the trainer accurate and working, much after your legs have given out. This is really important because the last thing you want is a trainer that overheats mid-workout. The H3 has compatibility to connect to all the online training and game applications, as you would expect from most trainers nowadays. I really appreciated using this trainer in the time I had to test it out. Its ease of use, quietness, and overall build quality made it really enjoyable to use. Make sure if you're interested in this product, you head to pushys.com.au. And if you have any other questions or want to see us review a certain product, put it in the comments down below. Catch you next time.